Hello, I just wanted to explain how to replace this, which is the catch for the closing door on a Mini Clubman. This is a 2008 model. The door wasn't closing, it was banging without catching, and I went to get this part, or the new, from Mini, and they said they sell about 20 a month, so it must be a regular occurrence. I looked on the internet and I couldn't find much about how to get this plastic box off, or how to replace it. So I just thought I'd put this short video together. All you need is a Torx T30, and the secret to getting this off is just simply it clips on, so you need a small screwdriver at the bottom. You pull it out of the bottom, and then there's two clips at the top which pull away then, and the thing clips out. There's a light at the bottom which can be unclipped, and then you've simply got two screws, or nuts or Torx bolts here, which have to be removed. The actual latch then drops out through the bottom of the door, unclips from the wiring harness. Put the new one on. This one was about just over £40 from Mini, so it's a genuine replacement. And reassemble and put this back, and then clip it in. And I didn't want to unclip it too many times because of damaging the plastic, but that's it.